People can help, but they don't see. Allah made you beautifully. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but your words can never hurt me. There is one thing you should know, I'm not alone on this journey. They can try to break me down, but I'm standing my ground. As long as I am surrounded by Allah, I'm unbreakable. I know it hurts, I've been there too. Whenever